Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Gertie Lad here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install VirtualBox and Windows 10 Pro for my virtualization playlist. So first of all you need to go to Microsoft.com and just type in Windows Media Creation Tool and it'll take you to this page, but I'll leave a link in the description. So you download the tool, put it in my downloads, save it. Right, so it already existed, so I just overcopied it, overwrit it. So run the tool and click yes to administrating privileges. A few seconds here just to gather a few bits of information. I'm not going to go through the whole process because I've already downloaded the tool in the ISO. So you need to accept the license terms and it does a few more things. Just gather a few more things. So what we want to do here is we don't want to upgrade the PC, we want to create an installation media, i.e. a USB flash drive, a DVD, CD-ROM or an ISO file image for our PC. So we want the ISO image. So we click on that and then click next. We want to unclick use recommended options for this PC. Choose your language, choose your edition, which will be the latest Windows. You can either have 32-bit, 64-bit or bring down both of them. I'm going to do 64-bit. Click next. Now we don't want the USB flash drive, we want the ISO image. So click on the ISO image, click next. And put it in our downloads and just click save. Well, we can rename it actually. Windows 10. Windows 10. Can I get it before the dot? Windows. Oh, and unlocks on. Windows 10 Pro. And click save. That'll start to download the ISO image. See the progress here, and it says feel free to keep using your system. So I'll just go to the task manager and there's a media creation tool. We'll just forget the task manager and we'll just close the window and quit it. That'll take me a while to download. I've already got it downloaded here. You can see the ISO image. So the second thing we want to do is go over to Oracle Box, virtualbox.org, Oracle VM VirtualBox. And we want to go to downloads at the left hand side, and you can choose different hosts, Linux, Mac, Solarize, but I'm on a Windows host, so I'm going to use Windows and I'm going to keep it in my downloads folder. I'm going to download that. As well as that, I want the VirtualBox extension packs that's supported for all platforms, so put that in my downloads too while VirtualBox is downloading. Once VirtualBox is completed, you could either double click or just single click on it. And on the X you can say yes to administrative privileges. So minimise the web browsers, click next, all the defaults here, click next. I take away the quick launch bar, just leave it if you want it. Make sure the rest are all ticked, click next, click yes and install. It won't take long to install this. A couple of seconds of that. Nice, you put up an icon in the top left hand corner. So we don't want to start our Oracle VirtualBox, so just finish that, untick that and then finish. Go back to your web browser and click on the extension packs. That opens up VirtualBox. So I've already installed this before, so you just reinstall it. Say I agree. Click yes to administrative privileges and it will install successfully. And as you can see, I had a Windows 10 machine running already, but I'll just remove that. So what we want to do here is click new and call it 110 Pro. It's already selected Microsoft Windows and Windows 10 64-bit. Click next. Give it 2 GB of RAM. Click next. Create a virtual hard disk now. Click create. We want the virtual disk image, VDI. Click next. And we want a dynamic allocated hard disk file will only use space in your physical hard disk as it fills up. Although it will not shrink again automatically when space is freed. A fixed size hard disk file will take longer to create on some systems, but it's often faster to use. So we'll just use a dynamically allocated because it's quicker. We'll take 50 gig for the hard drive. Click create. And that's how it's got our virtual machine. So we right click on it and go to settings. Go to advanced, make it bi-directional because this will let you swap between your host and your virtual machine. Display up to 128 megabyte. Storage, we want to go to the empty storage. Click on there. Choose disk. Go to desktop. And maybe not choose disk. What is it? Choose disk file. Choose disk file, yeah. Desktop. All files. I need to rename that. Right, give me 2 seconds, guys. Sorry about that. Rename. I think my unlock was on when I done it. So rename that to Windows 10 Pro. Go back to VirtualBox. Right click, settings, storage, empty drive up to the right hand side to where the disk is. Choose disk image, desktop, Windows 10 Pro, and we want to go to networking, and it looks all good. Advanced, that's fine. USB, make sure it's 3.0 or 2.0. System, hard disk, put that to the top. Optical, put that to the top. Untick floppy. Click OK. Right, now start the machine. Go to view and go to scale mode. This will start installing the operating system. So you need to choose your region, language and time, keyboard. So mine's United Kingdom. Install now. Go to I don't have a product key and choose your version, Windows 10 Pro. Click next. Accept the license agreement, click next. Then go to custom installation, Windows only, advanced, and you'll see your disk, 50 gig. Click next. Do you want to install that on? And we'll let that run through installing. I'll be back in a minute. Right guys, welcome back. So copying files, getting files ready for installation, installing features, installing updates. Took approximately 5 minutes to run through. So this machine's going to restart here, and you don't want to hit any buttons. Just let the machine restart automatically, and don't hit any buttons when it restarts. It'll tell you hit any button to boot from CD or DVD drive, but you don't want to do anything like that, because it's still reading the ISO image, so it will just take you back through the installation process. So don't press any keys at this stage. It's just starting the services for to install Windows. This takes a little bit of time as well. I'll leave a link in the description for these two websites that you need. VirtualBox and Windows Media Client. If you can afford to give it a wee bit more RAM, give it a wee bit more RAM, if that's the only virtual machine you're using at one time. And if you've got spare RAM on your computer, then you might as well use it up. I'll only give it 2 gig, I've only got 12 gigabytes of RAM, so I'm only doing this for an installation purpose. Be deleting it straight after. So the machine's restarted there. Now don't press any buttons again when it tells you to boot from CD to DVD, because it's still going through the installation process. We're going to eject the installation ISO image later on, and that will go away once you boot up the machine. It's just like taking out a thumb drive in your computer once you've installed the operating system on it. Just a moment, Windows likes its moments. Right, so I'm United Kingdom for my region. You select your region of origin. Click yes. United Kingdom for my keyboard. Whatever country you're in, you use your keyboard layout. Or you can add another one or skip it. I need to go back a step there. So, how do I go back? Oh, at the top.
Make your computer easier to use.
Turn the narrator off, go back a step. Just click skip for now, but if you want to add an additional keyboard, you add an additional keyboard to a different language. Sorry about that, guys. Click too quick. Windows likes to take its time. Sit back and relax, we're working our magic. Okay, Windows. So now, computer either go on to the next step or I'll restart again. It's taking longer than usual. If you give it more RAM, it should go through it quicker. Maybe didn't give it enough CPUs, that's the problem. Forgot to put 2 CPU cores in. Right, so set up as a personal use or set up as an organisation. So you want personal use if you're using it at home. For an organisation, you would need to get the credentials for your organisation. So we want an offline account here. I don't want to sign in my Microsoft account. And we want a limited experience. I still want us to sign in my Microsoft account. So I'm just going to put my name and click next. And no password, but I don't advise not putting a password on it, so put a password on it that you remember. And just say no to all this. I usually leave the location on, but just for quickness, I'm just saying no. You can read through that at your time and see what you want to keep on. Let's customise your experience. Select all the ways you plan to use, revise and personalise tips and recommendations during setup on your experience. Skill, gaming, entertainment, creativity, business and family. Skip. Not now, Cortana. In a couple of moments, we'll be on Windows. that's why it's running, so it's never put more than one CPU on it, I think. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Come on, Windows. Almost there. And we're in Windows. Oh, brilliant. Probably search for display drivers. Right click on the start menu and go to settings, go to system, about, '21 H2 Windows 10 Pro. So guys, this is where you add your product key as well. So you just got to change product key. Put your product key in here and the window will be activated. I don't advise you to do that on a virtual machine unless you're using it for some sort of purpose and it's got enough storage and enough RAM and enough CPU cores. So we'll just shut that down. So that's how to install Windows and VirtualBox on a Windows host machine. So we go back to VirtualBox, right click, go to settings and system processors. See, I only had one there, so that's why it was sluggish. I've only got 2 cores on this, so give it 2. If you've got 4, give it the 4, give it the whole whack. Click OK and go to settings and storage, and we want to remove attached storage. Yes, remove. Close that, start it up again, and you shouldn't get that bit from CD, DVD, press any key. See, it just goes straight into Windows. Well, it's still there. You shouldn't have done that. Alright, still there. Maybe done it too quick. Try a bit up again, see if it does it again. Oh, still there. Forgot to click OK. Alright. Just click OK when you remove it. See the DVD's not there. Button to click for the DVD. Just go straight into Windows. Sorry guys, we've made a couple of hiccups in this video, but better than the last one, at least you can hear me in this one. So that's how to install Windows 10 and in VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox, and create a virtual machine on a Windows operating system. I'll leave the links in the description for Oracle VirtualBox and the Windows Media Creation tool. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.